model kit review is of the Batmobile. This is from the 1989 movie, and it's a 1/25th scale model by AMT. And it has some pictures here of the finished model. And this one had a turbine originally in this Batmobile. Let's have a look. They have some more pictures in the back here. So let's have a look inside. It looks like a lot of parts here. And it comes with this backdrop. Put it almost like a little diorama, except it's not very detailed, it's just cardboard. So let's have a look here. Our body, it's a fairly long body. The chassis is inside here. But it looks like it's fairly well molded. We do have some little mold lines here or there, like there, but a reasonable amount of detail. And that's a pretty cool looking model. We do have mold lines here at the back as well. Those are going to be challenging to sand out because they're right next to the lights. Here's our chassis. And unfortunately the engine is molded in there. We'll just see how much other detail we have. Here we have our very large tires. Some reasonable tread there, an axle. And we have our chrome parts. And looks like part of our exhaust. Steering wheel, our wheels. And our air intake for the turbine. Lots of engine parts here, guns. But I really don't like this chrome, the way it's painted, so it's going to have to go. Here are our tail lights and our headlights and the windshield. So I do see here a separate engine. Looks like that's been molded separately. That looks quite nice. Some more engine parts here. Our control panels. All nicely molded. Some good level of detail here. Here is the roof of the cockpit. Entry for the turbine. Our wheels. We do have some flashing. And maybe a grappling hook. Here are the controls for the dashboard, our seats. Here is the cockpit. We have parts of our wings and insides of the doors, as well as the, I guess they're air intakes or maybe exhausts, not sure. Let's have a look at our instructions. So there's the colors needed, not too many. So it's just black. And build the cockpit. Build the body parts. Next to mount the cockpit and all the other body parts. The chassis is constructed with the wheels. And the body is mounted with the roof and the windshield, and then the engine is placed in there. And next we have the exhaust parts and guns and so on. And then there's how to make the stand. So Not a very complex model, but it's a decent amount of parts and fairly well molded. It'll be a good build.